Conasatatu, how are you? Mary Ellen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. And of course, I've lived in Ireland for many, many years. I'm now a Londoner. Many of these words are words that my parents used. Both of them have passed over to the other world. And that's why I'm doing this, because I don't want to lose their gorgeous lyrical way of speaking. I'm 30 years a Londoner. I have a daughter myself here, and I wanted to learn these words. And I want us to be able to engage with these words because they're beautiful and creative. And today's word actually is the heel of the hunt, another H word. It's actually a phrase. In the heel of the hunt, which actually means like in conclusion. So I grew up on a farm in County Westmeath in very much rural Ireland where, you know, the hunt did go on. You would see them, especially around Christmas time, out on the hunt. So the heel of the hunt would mean like in conclusion. And I find this very, very interesting because that word, the heel of, normally means like the end of. So we also had another phrase, the heel of the bread. So that would kind of be the last piece of bread. So like in summary, in conclusion is the heel of the hunt. Now, so that's the heel of the bread, which would be the last piece of the bread. So it's often that last piece, the conclusion, the summary. And so I thought I would just read you out what's here on the heel of this book, on the edge of this book, on the last bit of this book, which is actually from Blind Boy. As an adult, I learned that there was a name for how I speak, how I arrange sentences, and for the words I use. Hiberno English, a resistant way of speaking the English language, a language we never asked for. This improvised musicality to how we think and speak provides me with a deep literary confidence to explore the in-between, especially when the writing process presents me with resistance. So that's Blind Boy there on Hiberno English. And all my words are coming from here. And I'm also a writer, and I find myself going back to Hiberno because it's so lyrical and in between and musical. And it's such an amazing hybrid of the Gaeilge, our mother tongue in Ireland, and of English. And, you know, that's what I wanted to share with you today. But let me know if you use heel of the hunt, heel of the bread, heel of the book, that last part.